guys, thanks so much for clicking on my channel. We're all smiles over here. I am Will Sanja, like asking a question. Will Sanja help me keep a smile for today? And hopefully the answer is yes, you guys. I'm trying not to keep it long, but you already know. If it gets good, I'm gonna keep on talking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to go. The nugget today is revive me with some CPR. Okay, revive me with CPR. But before I get to run my mouth, let's go and do what? Shaking this manifestation jar. Then we're gonna talk about it. Okay, let's see. And I pulled out two, and the first one says what? More happiness, and we'll take that all day long. Yes, we will. And last but not least says what? Multi streams of income, and we'll take that too. Listen, are you dying over there, or are you dead? What am I talking about? There's something in you, a gift that you hadn't used in a long time, and you think it's dead. I'm here to tell you the only thing you need is some good old CPR. And what CPR am I talking about? I'm talking about some clarity, some prayer, and restoration. Now, how can you get that? You got to get in the mindset of being all the way aligned and connected. And when you're all the way aligned and connected, it means what? That God is at the forefront of your life, moving in and through you, that you receive in your journey with some clarity. And with that clarity comes prayer, and with prayer comes restoration. And then anything that God has bestowed upon you and in you, it will begin to live. A lot of y'all have some things that are dead, dormant, and you don't even know it's there. You got to get some clarity, some prayer, and thus get restoration, so that you'll be able to what? See what's living inside of you. Some of y'all are stuck in a space, and it's all because you're not using what you've been given. Some of you are poor, but what's in you is dead, but that thing that's dead in you can bring you restoration in your finances. I'm telling you, God has placed some things in you that will change your life forever. But you first got to start with that CPR, because it ain't got a pulse right now. It's been lying underneath and been buried for a long time. Awaken that thing. Call it forth the way Jesus called forth Lazarus. Lazarus, come forth. You better call forth your gift. Call it forth. But the only way you can call it forth is by you getting aligned and connected, like I said. Start performing CPR in your life. Getting some clarity. Having some prayer. And watch the restoration come. I hope y'all got this thing. But if you didn't get it, rewind it and watch again. But remember what I said. Whatever it is you're struggling with right now, there's something in you dead that needs to be awakened to balance that thing out and overtake it. And then you'll see you'll be prosperous in the area where you're suffering. You heard me? You heard me loud and clear that time? Okay, good. But like I said, if you didn't get it, you better do what? Rewind this thing and watch again. But in the meantime, in between time, if you take just a little bit of what I'm telling you and apply to your life to the best of your ability, you won't ever have to what? Mask a smile, because your smiles will always be genuine. I'll talk to y'all soon. Be blessed, stay blessed, be blessed, stay blessed. Remember to use that CPR, clarity, prayer, and watch the restoration come. Y'all know what's coming next. Ciao.